Hello, beautiful listeners. Welcome to Sophia Class. I am your host, Sophia, and today I have the travel bug. I want to pack my bags, buy a plane ticket, and fly away. And with me is my favorite travel buddy, Bob.
Hello, everyone. I am Bob. It is great to be here. Sophia, you want to travel? Where do you want to go?
That is the problem, Bob. The world is too big. I want to see everything. I want to take a selfie in every country, but I do not know where to start.
Well, if you do not know where to start, you should look at the new 7 wonders of the world. They are the best places to put on your bucket list.
Oh, that is a great phrase for our listeners. Let me explain it. A bucket list means a list of things you want to do or places you want to visit before you die. For example, visiting Japan is number 1 on my bucket list.
Exactly. Thank you, Sophia. Millions of people voted to choose these 7 amazing places. They are all ancient and full of history.
Let me quickly explain that word, too. Ancient means belonging to a time long ago in history, very, very old. For example, people in Egypt built ancient pyramids.
Correct. We are going to talk about all 7 today. And listeners, you need to stay until the end of this video because I'm going to share a mind-blowing secret.
A secret? About a building? Bob, buildings are just rocks. They don't have secrets.
Oh, they do. One of these 7 wonders is not just a building. It's actually a giant ancient calendar, a machine made of stone that tracks the sun and the days of the year perfectly.
A giant stone calendar? Like a huge clock? Listeners, you cannot miss this. Do not close the video. We will find out which one it is. But first, Bob, what is number 1?
Number 1 is the Great Wall of China. It's the longest wall in the world, stretching for thousands of kilometers over mountains and deserts.
I know a fun fact about this. You can see the Great Wall of China from space. Astronauts can see it.
Actually, Sophia, that's a myth. It's not true. You cannot see it from space with just your eyes, but it's still a fantastic place to walk and learn about Chinese history.
Okay, I will walk on the wall and eat delicious Chinese noodles. What is number 2?
Number 2 is the Colosseum in Italy, right in the middle of Rome. It's a huge stadium where gladiators used to fight.
Italy! Gladiators, history, and pizza! I want to sit next to the Colosseum and eat a giant pizza.
I think everyone wants to do that, Sophia. Listeners, what about you?
Yes, listeners, go to the comments right now. Between these 2, which one is on your bucket list? The Great Wall of China or the Colosseum in Italy? Tell us. Go to the comments and get ready because we're traveling to India and Jordan next. Okay, Bob, we ate noodles in China and pizza in Rome. Where is the magic airplane taking us now? What is wonder number 3?
Number 3 is the Taj Mahal in India. It is a beautiful white marble building. And Sophia, I know you will love this one because it is a story of true love.
True love? Tell me everything. Who built it? Why?
An emperor built it hundreds of years ago for his favorite wife after she died. It took 20,000 workers to build this amazing monument.
Oh, a vocabulary word. Let me explain it. A monument means a building, statue, or column built to remind people of a famous person or event. For example, the Eiffel Tower is a famous monument in Paris.
Very good, yes. It is the most beautiful monument of love in the world. It looks perfectly white in the morning and turns pink in the sunset.
Wow, I want to go there, wear a beautiful Indian sari, and take a romantic photo at sunset. Okay, what is wonder number 4?
Number 4 is Petra in the country of Jordan. People call it the Rose City because the stone is a pink-red color.
A pink city? Did they build it with pink bricks?
No, they did not build it with bricks. The people of Petra carved the entire city directly into the sides of the mountains.
Oh, that is a great action verb. Let me explain it. To carve means to make an object or a pattern by cutting away material from wood or stone. For example, the artist carved a beautiful bird out of wood.
Exactly. They carved temples, houses, and a huge treasury right into the rock wall. You have to walk through a long, narrow canyon to find it. It feels like an Indiana Jones movie.
I love adventure. I will wear my hiking boots and explore the hidden city.
So, listeners, we have two very different wonders here.
Yes, listeners, it is time to vote again in the comments. Are you a romantic person or an adventurous person? Do you want to visit the Taj Mahal in India or the carved city of Petra in Jordan?
Tell us your choice in the comments below.
And do not go anywhere because Bob still has to tell us which wonder is the secret giant calendar. The big reveal is in the next part. Let's go. Bob, we have visited 4 wonders: China, Italy, India, and Jordan. There are only 3 left. Tell me which one is the secret stone calendar. I cannot wait anymore.
All right, Sophia, it is time. Wonder number 5 is the secret. It is located in Mexico. It is called Chichén Itzá.
Chichén Itzá, a big pyramid, right? Like the ones in Egypt?
It is a pyramid, but it is not like Egypt. The Maya people built it a long time ago. They were incredible astronomers.
Oh, that is a fantastic vocabulary word. Let me explain it for our listeners. An astronomer means a scientist who studies the stars, planets, and the universe. For example, the astronomer used a telescope to look at the moon.
Perfect explanation. The Maya studied the sun very carefully. They built the pyramid called El Castillo with exactly 365 steps.
365 steps? One for every day of the year?
Exactly. It is a physical calendar, but that is not the most amazing part. Twice a year, during the spring and autumn equinox, the sun hits the pyramid at a perfect angle.
What happens, Bob? Tell us.
The shadow of the steps falls on the side of the stairs. It looks exactly like a giant snake sliding down the pyramid. Thousands of people gather to watch this illusion.
Oh, a big word. Let me explain it. An illusion means something that looks real but is actually false or a trick of the eye. For example, the magician created the illusion of flying in the air.
Perfect explanation. The snake illusion is a masterpiece of engineering. The Maya used architecture and astronomy together.
That is mind-blowing. A stone building that tracks time and makes snake shadows? I want to stand there and see the snake. What about wonder number 6?
Number 6 is high in the Andes Mountains in Peru. It is Machu Picchu, the lost city of the Incas. It is sitting on top of a mountain surrounded by clouds.
On top of a mountain, Bob. Do I have to walk all the way up? That sounds exhausting.
You can take a train, Sophia, or you can hike the famous Inca Trail for 4 days. The view is spectacular.
Let me explain that word. Spectacular means very impressive, beautiful, and amazing to look at. For example, the fireworks on New Year's Eve were spectacular.
Exactly. It is a spectacular city that was hidden from the world for centuries. And finally, wonder number 7 is the Christ the Redeemer statue in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil.
Oh, the giant statue with open arms. I've seen pictures. It stands on a mountain and looks over the whole city.
Yes, it is a massive symbol of peace. You can take a tram up the mountain and stand right at the feet of the statue. The view of the beaches and the city is unforgettable.
I want to go to Brazil and dance samba. Listeners, we have traveled around the world today. Bob, what a journey.
It was a great journey. But before we finish, we have to see if our listeners were paying attention.
Yes, do not go away. The final review and the hardest question of the video are coming right up.
All right, everyone. Let's summarize the amazing 7 wonders of the world we explored today. Point 1. The Great Wall of China and the Colosseum in Italy. Point 2. The romantic Taj Mahal in India and the carved city of Petra in Jordan. Point 3. The Maya calendar pyramid, Chichén Itzá in Mexico. Point 4. the spectacular mountain city of Machu Picchu in Peru, and the giant Christ statue in Brazil.
What a beautiful list! And now it is time for the final challenge, the vocabulary review. Let's see if you can beat me, listeners.
All right, let's start. Sophia, what does bucket list mean?
A list of things you want to do or places you want to visit in your life.
Correct. What about ancient?
Belonging to a time long ago in history, very old, like the pyramids.
Very good. What does carve mean?
To cut away wood or stone to make an object or a pattern, like the city of Petra.
And finally, what does spectacular mean?
Very impressive and beautiful to look at, like the view from Machu Picchu.
You did an excellent job today, Sophia, and our listeners did a wonderful job too.
Listeners, you made it to the end of our world tour. Thank you so much for traveling with us. But before you leave, we have one final, ultimate question for you.
Yes, we want to know, out of all the 7 wonders we talked about today, if you could only visit one for the rest of your life, which one would it be?
Is it the Colosseum, the Taj Mahal, or the giant calendar in Mexico? Tell us in the comments below. I read every single one.
Please leave a comment, like the video, and subscribe to Sophia Class for more amazing English lessons.
Start planning your trips, keep practicing your English, and we will see you in the next episode. Bye, everyone.
Goodbye. Safe travels.